The allure of gold has fascinated humans for centuries, driving the exploration and development of gold mines across the world. But after the gold has been extracted, what happens to these massive mining sites? Today, we take you on a fascinating journey through the process of reclaiming gold mines, a vital endeavor that seeks to restore the natural landscape. Reclamation begins long before mining operations even start. Detailed plans are crafted during the initial phases of the mining project to ensure that once mining is complete, the land can be returned to a state that is as close as possible to its original condition. These plans are crucial for regulatory approval and involve various environmental assessments to mitigate the impact on local ecosystems. Once the mining has run its course, the site enters the closure phase. This is where the transformation begins. Structures and machinery are dismantled and removed. The earth is reshaped, often using the overburden, the waste rock removed during mining, to recreate natural land formations. This reshaping is essential to manage water flows and minimize erosion, creating a stable foundation for future vegetation. Now comes the revitalization of the ecosystem. Topsoil, stockpiled during the initial mining activities, is spread over the reshaped land. This topsoil contains seeds and microorganisms that are essential for plant growth, rejuvenating the barren earth. Native plant species are carefully selected and replanted. These plants are crucial not only for rebuilding habitat for wildlife, but also for preventing soil erosion and improving soil quality. Water management is another critical aspect of mine reclamation. Contaminated water sources, such as tailing ponds, are treated or neutralized. Wetlands may be created or restored to enhance biodiversity and improve water quality, offering a habitat for aquatic and terrestrial species. As we progress towards natural restoration, monitoring plays a pivotal role. Environmental scientists regularly assess the reclaimed land to ensure that water quality, vegetation, and wildlife are returning to healthy levels. This continuous monitoring can last decades, ensuring that the reclamation efforts are sustainable and effective. In successful cases, reclaimed gold mines transform into vibrant ecosystems, serving as a testament to the resilience of nature and the potential for human endeavors to coexist with the environment. Reclaimed sites can even become valuable community resources, evolving into parklands, recreational areas, or wildlife habitats, offering enjoyment and educational opportunities for generations to come. In conclusion, the reclamation of gold mines is a remarkable process, blending science, sustainability, and commitment. It reminds us that while the quest for gold may forever captivate the human spirit, it is our responsibility to ensure that this pursuit does not come at the expense of our planet's health. We hope you enjoyed this exploration into the restoration of gold mines. If you did, please consider subscribing to our channel, liking this video, and leaving a comment about what you'd like to learn next. Thank you for watching.